Communication. 1. Nick is listening to an audio guide to Hoi An. Listen and fill in the gaps.
Unit 4, page 43. Communication. Activity 1. Nick is listening to an audio guide to Hoi An. Listen and fill in the gaps.
Welcome to Hoi An. Hoi An is famous for its historic buildings, shops, pagodas and houses. They're older than in other cities in Vietnam. The streets are very narrow, so it is more convenient to walk there. OK, let's start our tour. First, go to Quan Com Temple. To get there, walk straight for 5 minutes. The temple is on your left. Second, go to the Museum of Sa Huyn Culture. Take the second left. Turn right and it's on your right. Then, have lunch at Cafe 96. Its Khao Lao and Ban Vak are very good. Turn left and take the second turning on your right. Finally, go to Hoa Nhop Workshop to buy presents for your friends. Turn left, then turn right. The workshop is next to Tan Ki House.